Hi everybody, this is Amita Gupta. I'm the founder of Play With Me Autism Foundation. We started this foundation 3 years ago. We were looking for some Easter activities for my son Nikhil, who was 18-year-old back then. We used to celebrate Easter in our neighborhood, but when Nikhil turned 18, all the other kids grew up and they were not interested in these activities. So we thought the similar would be the case with other parents who are looking to socialize and spend time with other families as a community. So that started Play With Me Autism Foundation. And since then, we have been organizing a lot of holidays and events together, barbecues, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Halloween. And we have come to know so many wonderful parents along the way, and we have developed lifelong friendships with them. So thank you to all the parents, all the volunteers, my neighbors, family, friends, to make this happen. Thank you very much.
Yeah, hi. For me, Play With Me is the same. It's for my son. He really loves to socialize. So this has given him a great opportunity, and so that's why I'm part of it, because it gives him opportunities and other kids opportunities to socialize and to mingle.
Yeah, so my name is Neelam Golani, and I am mostly involved with Make With Me part of this organization. So we get the special needs kids to make candles, and they are like soy candles, they are clean burning candles, they are eco-friendly, they can be recycled 100%. So our aim is to provide them vocational skills, and so that is my part of it.
Hello everyone, this is Nisha Banginwap, and I'm a committee woman of Edison District 76. During pandemic, my daughter was home, so that's the time I connected with the Play With Me Foundation. They provide so many classes, variety of the classes, and they kept us busy. During that time, I started teaching dance, and then it was a great journey. And recently, I became a part of it. I became a board of director, and now we started initiative Make With Me for the young adults, so they can get job opportunities and everything.
Morning, everybody. Mayor Tom Likey from Edison here with Councilwoman Joyce Ship Freeman, Councilman Ajay Patil, Board of Ed member Birol Patel, and the group and founders, and really the ones who do all the work with the Play With Me Foundation. It's a great event. We were here in the heat, but it's still great to see everybody in person. After last year, really seeing everybody is just fabulous. And what this group stands for and does is just amazing, and it's just instrumental for us to get out there, spread awareness about special needs, and just participate and honor. And I'm sure you can always use some funding too, right? Yeah. Always need some funding. Yeah, there's never enough funding. So happy Father's Day, everybody. Tomorrow is Father's Day, and you can see the Play With Me Autism Foundation. And I don't know, you have a website? There it is. Yep. playwithme.org. -me, right? .org. There you go. All right. So I've done what I have to do. Congratulations. All the best. You guys are amazing. You do a great job. And now I'm going to turn it over to the professional speakers.
Thank you, Manna TV International, for covering this Father's Day event hosted by Play With Me organization. We can see the wonderful audience here, lots of parents, lots of kids who performed. Mayor Lanky was in attendance. Again, thank you to all the parents who put this event together. It's an awesome cause, and we all have to help the organizations. Please spread the word, help the organization. This is a fundraising event. If you're watching Manna International TV, please look at the website play-with-me.org and help the organization to raise the funds for the right cause. Again, thank you, and I will pass on to Councilwoman Joyce Ship.
Happy Father's Day, everyone. I think this is a great organization. Play With Me, the Autism Foundation. It is excellent. I'm glad that they sponsored this event for Father's Day, because last year we weren't able to come out, we weren't able to do much. And I like the whole idea of Play With Me, because a lot of our children are ignored by others, and other people don't really understand them. So I would like us to teach our children and teach adults to be more kinder. So when you see different people and you see parents and stuff with hassles in the grocery store, don't look at them like they're the problem. Be more kind. And I'm going to turn it over. I am Councilwoman Joyce Shipp Freeman.
Thank you, Mana TV International, for stopping by here for this wonderful event. Thank you to all the organizers, Nisha, Hema, Amita, for Play With Me. What you guys do for children is amazing. And in return, all you get is a lot of blessings from children and their parents and from the entire community. Thank you so much and happy Father's Day, everyone.
Hello, my name is Jen Blevins, and I'm the principal of Woodrow Wilson Middle School, a local middle school here in Edison. We're so happy to be invited to this event today where all of our students are participating.
Hi, I'm Renu Mandirata, proud assistant principal of Woodrow Wilson Middle School. It is our honor to be invited here. This event really provides an opportunity for our students to socialize beyond the school. You know, we know they practice all the skills in school, but this is great. Beyond the school, they're able to do this and have a chance to socialize with each other.
Thank you so much, Mana TV International, for coming us and joining us for this event, first in-person event after the pandemic. This is very exciting for us because our kids are seeing the volunteers, the teachers for the first time since the pandemic. So thank you so much. I appreciate your time.